Next topic is preparation of carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid can be prepared by number of methods, but few methods what is given in your book we will discuss here. So first is from primary alcohols or aldehydes. Primary alcohols or aldehydes. So in primary alcohol, I think you might be knowing what are primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. If you don't know, I will tell here. Here, if I wrote like this, okay, if this is primary, other way, here if we write CH3OH, so this is methyl alcohol. What is methyl alcohol? If one hydrogen of this one is replaced by one alkyl group, that will be primary, like this. If one hydrogen I replaced by R, this is primary alcohol. If two are replacing two hydrogen, that is secondary alcohol. If three hydrogen replacing are being replaced by three alkyl group, that is tertiary. So you might have studied in alcohols. This is the topic of alcohol. If you don't know, you see the point this. Okay? Understand? So when primary alcohols are oxidized, the number of oxidizing agents can be used to oxidize primary alcohol to acid. What are that? We can use KMnO4 in neutral medium, acidic medium or alkaline medium. Means if we oxidized primary alcohol in acidic medium by KMnO4 or in neutral medium by KMnO4 or by alkaline medium in KMnO4, that gives acid and H2. Instead of this, we can use K2Cr2O7, potassium dichromate. What is potassium dichromate? That is chromium trioxide and acetic chromium trioxide. So any oxidizing agent we can use for oxidation of alcohol to carboxylic acid. So when primary alcohols are oxidized by using alkaline KMnO4, gives acid and H2. But one point you have to remember, what? That should be primary alcohol. So we can solve some questions like this. If I wrote this, okay. So if I am oxidizing with K2Cr27, K2Cr2 potassium dichromate, so this will change to carboxylic group. So what will be this? CH3COOH, okay, and H2. Means this group will be replaced by nascent oxygen, by this oxygen. Okay. Next, if we are taking like this carbon, number of carbon compound we can take like this. We can take. So write the product. What is the product of this one? Sorry. What is the product of this one is? Could you write? That will be, this group will change into acidic group, and 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be the product of that one. It will be butanoic acid. What is butanoic acid? Okay, like this. We can prepare acid from the alcohols. And next point is oxidation of aldehyde. Oxidation. So this topic you have studied. Oxidation of aldehyde. I have taught it. So you can turn the page and you can see there. Oxidation of aldehyde by KMnO4. Strong oxidizing agent that oxidize aldehyde to acid. Sorry, acid. So if we are taking this acetaldehyde, we are using oxidizing agent. Which oxidizing agent? KMnO4. So what we get? CH3COOH. So like this we can prepare. So what we have learned here, from primary alcohols and aldehydes, the carboxylic acid can be prepared by oxidation, by using oxidizing acid. Next is from alkyl benzene. This alkyl benzene can be oxidized to acid, means aromatic acid. It doesn't matter that primary or secondary alkyl benzene is taken. Primary or secondary alkyl benzene is taken. If we are taking primary alkyl benzene or methyl benzene, so entire chain will oxidize into carboxylic acid. Means the oxidation of alkyl benzene by alkaline KMnO4 followed by hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid or benzoic acid. The oxidation of alkyl benzene by alkaline KMnO4 followed by hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. So let us see what I told. It doesn't matter what type of alkyl, but one point, primary and secondary alkyl benzene. What? Alkyl benzene gives benzoic acid. Benzoic acid. Okay. Tertiary alkyl benzene do not affected by alkaline or acetic KMnO4. So this point, remember that the oxidation of alkaline benzene by alkaline KMnO4 followed by hydrolysis gives alkaline benzoic acid. But if we are taking tertiary alkyl benzene, that will not be affected by alkaline KMnO4. So this point, all of you remember this. And how much long chain is that? That will be oxidized. Like this, if we take this, so need not to confuse that. If I have taken this, if I will take this, same product we will get. If I will take this, same product we will get. If I am taking this also, remember here, so we will get same product. Understood? But and if I have taken this also, so here also same product we will get. Like that product we will get, same product we will get. So either primary alkyl benzene or secondary alkyl benzene, if they are being oxidized by alkaline KMnO4 followed by hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. But tertiary alkyl benzene doesn't affected by alkaline KMnO4. If that is alkene group is also there, if alkene group is also present, so that carbon which is bonded to this carbon, to benzene ring, will be oxidized to carboxylic acid.